Hi guys, it's Bob here from Greybeard Models. Finally finished the Tamiya GSX1100S Katana. First completed build of the year, 2022. My God, it's 2022. Let's give it a spin round, and you can have a quick look at it if the thing works. There we go. Quite pleased with it. First motorcycle kit I've built in ages. But, yeah, one or two things on there that I learnt as well, so I'm really quite pleased with it. It's turned out quite well. Quite pleased with the overall outcome. Haven't done anything too fancy on it, just basically followed the kit instructions. Anyway, there you go, first one of 2022 from Greybeard Models. Cheers guys, stay safe out there, see you again soon.